Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can auto scroll on TikTok. So for that you need to hold and press on a particular post, and then you will be able to see this option of auto scroll. In case if you don't see it, then you need to open up your Play Store or App Store, and after that you will be able to see the option of update. Just update your app and make sure that it is quite up to date, and after that you will be able to see the option of auto scroll on your TikTok, but only after you restart your app. In case if it is still not there, then you need to wait for a while, as TikTok is A/B testing this feature, and you will be receiving this feature after a while. And also you can just report this problem to Twitter and tell them that this is the problem that you are facing and you are not getting this feature even though it is out there. So this is how you can get the auto scroll feature on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.